This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start with essentials. Confirm your Aternos server runs Spigot, Paper, or Bucket because plugins need that platform. Once confirmed, download the Night Vision plugin. Jar to your computer so you can upload it directly. This avoids delays. Make a quick backup of your world and configs. This protects progress if the plugin misbehaves. Now open your Aternos dashboard and sign in. Navigate straight to the server page so you can begin the upload process without distractions. Stop the server first. You need a safe upload state to avoid corrupted jars. Then go to Files, open the Plugins folder, and upload the Night Vision. Jar file, drag and drop, or use the Upload tool. Start the server briefly to generate config files, then stop it again to edit them. Open the plugin's config. Set default duration, intensity, and permission nodes so players receive effects correctly. This step matters because misconfigured permissions block functionality. Start the server and test immediately using a player account that has the permission node. Confirm the Night Vision effect and duration behave as expected. If it fails, check server logs for errors. Look specifically for missing dependencies, version mismatch, or permission errors. Those are the usual culprits. If you see a persistent problem, stop the server, restore your backup, and try a different plugin build or update your server type. This sequence fixes most incompatibility issues and gets you back online.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.